In this video, we are going to see a quick solution of the problem that if your print sharing is not working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, here's what you can do. So just go to the start menu and right here, control panel, just open that up. And from here, just make sure that we are in the category view. Here we see the main category as network and internet. Just go ahead and open that up. And here where it says view network status and tasks, let's click on that. After that, on our left, we have the change advanced sharing settings. To open this up, and we have a couple of options here. In the private network, we have the file and printer sharing, just enable that. And in the public networks as well, we have the file and printer sharing, which is all turned off. So make sure to turn this on. So just try this as a first resort, but if you're still facing the issues, what you can do after that is just open the search menu and right here, services, and hit enter. And here we just want to search the print spooler like this. It will show something like this. So just write P on the keyboard and it will automatically take you to the P section where you just have to locate for this particular option. Just right click and click on the properties. First of all, in the general tab on the startup type, make sure it is set to automatic. And if it is already running, the status, as you can see, it's already running, but we want to refresh this, right? So just stop it once and start again. And after that, just click on apply, click OK, and just quickly restart your computer. So now the system is restarted. And after that, you can just try working on the print sharing settings, and that should work for you. And you will face no problem in sharing the printing on the network. So hopefully this should solve the problem. Just comment down below if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.